Good day to all super momshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell for more new videos uploaded. Today we're going to create another beautiful flower made of plastic bottles. Super momshies, if you are ready, we're going to start this project. Super momshies, these are the main materials needed in this project. Of course, the plastic bottles, my usual tools, and the brush for the acrylic color, and this plier, bendable wires, and tissue, and the plastic bag for wrapping. So we're going to cut this. This is the only part that we need as of today in this project. Alright? So we'll leave it until it will be dried up. So we're going to use the green bottle cup. Super momshies, now we're going to assemble it like this. Alright, super momshies, this is now the final touch, our green tree flower. Before we will end up this video, I would like to give a mega love shout out to all the subscribers and non-subscribers, and of course to the silent viewers. If you did not yet subscribe, Please subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Until next time, babushi!